Mana pools will touch your heart. It is a window into a whole new world. The Zambezi Expeditions camp is mesmerizing. Some people want to come on safari to tick the animal off their list and beat down. But they don't realize being this close to nature is an experience that can change you forever. As a guide, we're in touch and in tune with the land, wildlife, and people. There is something about mana pools that will have you dreaming of this special place long after you've left. I have seen this African sunset more than 100 times from the banks of the river. Each time it feels mesmerizing as the first. It doesn't get closer to nature than our expedition camp. We will guide you through the heart of Africa.